I'm Sarah Smith. I'm a horticulturalist here at Rogers Gardens, and today in this video I'm going to show you a really simple tip on how to sustain nature in gardens with less water. It's something super simple that almost anybody can do. So in this video, what I'm going to show you how to do is how to change your already existing irrigation system into something that's going to be a lot more water efficient. And all you have to do is change the spray heads on all your existing pop-ups. So what you're going to use is you're going to use these MP rotator heads by Hunter. That stands for match precipitation. They're really pretty amazing because they're going to put water out slowly and more efficiently, and it's going to be much better for your plants because they're going to be able to use more of that water, and you're going to have a lot less evaporation, and you're going to create a lot less humidity. So not only does this save you about 30% of your water bill for your irrigation for outside use, but it will also make your plants a lot happier and a lot healthier in the long run as well. So to change out the spray head, all you have to do is use some kind of tool. I like to use my screwdriver to just pop this riser up. You pull that up and then you simply untwist the head, remove the filter, because remember yours is going to come with a filter on it, and then you're going to just screw that right on. Then to adjust it, you want to turn on your head, so be prepared to get wet, and then we'll adjust it, and I'll show you how to do that too. So once you have the spray head installed onto the riser here, you can adjust it. So you can turn the throw up and down, meaning you can have it spray farther out or closer in. So you want to make sure you don't have any overspray onto sidewalks or hitting any walls, so you can adjust that too. You can also change how wide it throws. So the way to do that's very simple. On the edge here, it just has a little thread, so you can just turn that and you can have it go wider or shorter. To change the angle of which way it's going, you can actually just turn the whole entire riser part as well. And then to change it to throw shorter or farther, you just use your screwdriver on the top here and you just turn that down. And that's all you have to do. It's actually very simple. So one thing at Rogers Gardens that we've always been telling you to do is to water your garden a lot longer, slower, and deeper, but less frequently. Not only does this save water, but it's so much better for your plants. You want all of your plant roots to really look down in the ground for water, so that way they're more established and deeper rooted. So that way when it gets hot, they don't struggle as much because the roots are down where it's cool and there's more water available to them. The last thing you want to do is keep the top of your soil constantly moist. That's not good for your plants, that's not good for your water bill, and it's not good for saving water. So if you can do this simple thing, you'll definitely save a lot of water and you'll make your plants so much happier as well. What a great and easy way to make your yard more water efficient and make all your plants so much more happy. Make sure you go over and check out our YouTube page for all kinds of great tips and videos on how to be more water efficient. On our webpage, we have all kinds of great educational information on how to be more water wise, how to sustain your plants through the hot summer, and how to keep all the critters that rely on your garden a lot happier during the drought in the summertime. We also have great information on our Facebook and on our Instagram page, all kinds of live stream videos that you can check out there, and all kinds of great pictures of the products that we have in the store, and you'll know about all the fun things we're doing at Rogers Gardens. So thank you so much for watching this video, and be well and be safe and happy gardening.